The XRP price chart is now delivering unmistakable signals after months of fluctuations. According to the data, significant price increases for digital currencies are on the horizon. A new wave of investment may be on the horizon. If you've been wondering when to purchase XRP, or if you should hold on to your current holdings, this could be the time. The price chart shows various patterns and important indications that could indicate an upward trend. The chart clearly shows that these indications are supported by actual data and indicate that XRP is gaining momentum. As an investment, this might be very significant for you. In this video, we'll discuss the reasons why XRP prices might be skyrocketing soon and why you should be cautious with your money. Immediately, be sure to closely monitor these indicators. There is a fascinating story unfolding in the XRP price chart for those who follow technical analysis. Everyone who is familiar with charts can understand that there is a perfect opportunity for gains right now. The price is anticipated to go up because moving averages, the relative strength index RSI, and support and resistance levels are all lined up. The XRP price has the potential to surge in the coming weeks if these indications persist. Price action like this is closely watched by traders and purchasers, as it has the potential to signal a shift from a flat trend to a robust uptrend. By understanding the interplay between these technical indicators, you will be better able to predict when XRP will make its next great move. Just a single indication, many indicators are converging on one conclusion: prices will rise. So why is everyone so bullish on XRP and XRP? At this time, factors other than technical indicators and market speculation impact the price. For instance, Ripple continues to engage in litigation with the SEC while simultaneously expanding its alliances with banking institutions. Bodies official as XRP gains more acceptance and rules are clarified, its future appears brighter. The price chart is displaying encouraging signals as well. It's possible that XRP is preparing for a significant surge. Large profits may be achievable based on the current market sentiment and the configuration of the charts. However, hoping for a price increase is insufficient. You must also use better financial decisions can be made with the help of the data-driven insights provided by the graphic. Examining the chart in greater detail will shed light on the significance of these indicators and how they may soon position XRP for gains. XRP current market performance betrays the hardships it has endured over the past few months. Going through significant price changes, XRP value has remained stagnant. Maybe this swaying is only a temporary lull before the storm hits. Uncertainty has been pervasive in the cryptocurrency market due to factors such as shifts in market sentiment, concerns about regulation, and fluctuations in the global economy. Nevertheless, XRP has been showing resilience in spite of these challenges. Various exogenous factors, a lot of digital items, have seen their value plummet, but XRP has remained relatively constant, giving buyers hope for an eventual breakout. As its legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission continues, the price of XRP has fluctuated significantly. And as a reminder for those who might not be aware, Ripple, the firm responsible for XRP, has been selling unregistered stocks. As a result, XRP's price has fluctuated wildly as investors worry about the cryptocurrency's future. With the regulatory landscape improving, investors are beginning to perceive a glimmer of hope, and XRP has maintained its dominant market position despite these challenges. The XRP price can potentially rise when new data becomes available. The rekindled trust of investors and organizations, which may assist in its revival, the rising usage of XRP for cross-border payments, and the prospect that Ripple would emerge victorious from the SEC case both point to a more optimistic sentiment in the XRP market as of late. Many believe that XRP will play a significant role in the development of future global money transfers. XRP has already found a home with financial institutions, and payment providers are increasingly utilizing XRP for the purpose of making inexpensive and fast international payments. Despite encountering legal obstacles, XRP is benefiting from this expanding use case. Both internal and external variables can impact a market's performance. XRP present despite the legal issues, the market is showing signs of a more bullish, long-term view. In the eyes of potential investors, what does this signify? Due to XRP's solid underpinnings and present stability, its price could rise significantly, particularly if institutional interest increases and the legal cloud gradually lifts. No one can deny that XRP there may be a significant shift in prices soon. Together, these factors and the solid technical analysis that will be discussed later indicate that XRP is prepared to surpass its current range and reach new levels of success. If you're monitoring XRP performance, you should pay close attention to the signals suggesting significant gains might be on the horizon right now. Take a peek at the chart's performance. Directing our attention to these potential profits and the information that the technical indicators will provide shortly. Among the most effective methods for predicting the future value of any coin is to examine its chart. Presently, XRP's chart is exhibiting some significant indications that the price may be prepared for a significant jump. Nonetheless, it is critical to no estimate is ever guaranteed, so bear that in mind. There are clear technical indications on the chart that we should not overlook. For those who are keeping tabs on the price of XRP, let's take a look at the most crucial ones. The moving averages serve as a starting point. Because they smooth out price fluctuations and reveal the trend more clearly, moving averages play a crucial role in technical analysis. Overview of the overall trend. A bullish indication known as a golden cross has occurred, with XRP 50-day moving average rising above the 200-day moving average. One of the most important indicators for traders, this suggests that XRP short-term momentum is outpacing its long-term trend, which could indicate that the price is about to rise. This indicates that an uptrend is beginning and suggests that XRP might be prepared for a significant rally. The Relative Strength Index will be discussed next. Another crucial indicator to keep an eye on is the Relative Strength Index RSI, which measures the rate and magnitude of price changes. You can use it to determine if an item is presently selling for too much or too little. Just below 70 indicates a high relative strength index, RSI, for XRP. It is possible to anticipate an asset's impending break when the RSI rises above 70. However, even a close RSI of 70 indicates strong purchasing pressure and an upward trend in price, so it's still a bullish indicator. This indicates that XRP is making progress, but it has plenty of potential to continue rising. Reaching a peak, you should also pay attention to the MACD moving average. Disconnection and merging, it is possible to see the relationship between two asset price moving averages using the MACD, a trend following momentum indicator. One can consider it a buy signal when the MACD line rises above the signal line, indicating that momentum is now going up. MACD is displaying in XRP. The bulls are now leading the trend, as shown by the presence of positive divergence. Examining the levels of support and resistance gives us more evidence that XRP might be about to make a surge upwards. Importantly, they reveal areas where price has struggled to break off of support or fall below it. To illustrate the point, XRP has been able to maintain a price over the price has remained stable due to buyers stepping in after breaking a critical support level. It may signal the beginning of a fresh uptrend if XRP is